Welcome back to Explore with John McFall. We have rebuilt the operating model. That's the rules, the mechanisms, and the way decisions must be made. Now it's time to show the one product we built to run the logic in the real world. Not to fix everything, but to fix that one decision that shapes everything downstream. This is what we call LoadBoardWise. Every supply chain has a moment where everything is decided, and it's not in planning, and it's not in forecasting, and it's not in visibility dashboards or even monthly reviews. It's that moment that a load needs to go on a truck right now. And the planner has to choose who's going to move it, where are you going to post the requirements, who do you trust, and how do you do it fast enough that operations don't fall apart. Behind that one decision is the entire economics of the network. The cost you pay, the reliability you get, the customer promise you keep or break, the carbon you emit, and the stress you put on your team. For years, companies tried to solve this with more dashboards, more integrations, more load boards, more people, more pressure. But Section 5 made something clear. You can't fix this moment unless you rebuild the rules, the incentives, the decisions rights, the operating model behind it. What we haven't shown until now is the product that runs the operating model, and this is where LoadBoardWise enters the story. When we first met a construction sector customer, their freight execution was held together by human effort alone. The procurement and the logistics teams were manually arranging pickups and dispatches across multiple sites. They were calling hauliers one by one, texting drivers directly, copying job details between emails and spreadsheets. There was no bidding environment, no orchestration, no audit trail, and no way to stop planners from being pulled in 10 different directions at once. Their planners weren't managing freight, they were surviving, and their costs reflected it. They were bleeding money through manual errors, late buys, last-minute carrier changes, and simple fact that without a structured process, the same job could cost 5 different amounts on 5 different days. And that's when LoadBoardWise was born. Not in a conference room, but in the raw, messy reality of a logistics operating under strain. We built an online bidding and orchestration platform for them, hosted on AWS, and within the first full year, they reduced logistics costs by around £450,000. That's not a projection. That's a real number from a real SCW deployment. And the success was so material that their parent company asked to expand the solution. Let me take you into the moment that LoadBoardWise exists to fix. Imagine that it's 3:20 p.m. A load needs allocating. It's time sensitive. The customer expects delivery by tomorrow. The planner has 4 places they could post the job, 5 carriers they could call, 2 brokers they could message, and 100 invisible constraints they're supposed to keep in their heads. Everything from lane performance last week, which haulier had a breakdown yesterday, which carrier underbidded last month and caused a mess, which customer gets priority, what is the weather doing, whether the port is running slow, whether the consignee can offload at 5 p.m, and whether the carrier will cancel if the volume changes by 1 pallet. Most companies ask the human to hold all of that in their head, while multitasking across systems designed a decade apart. LoadBoardWise takes that cognitive chaos and gives it structure. In Section 5, we built the mechanisms, the tenets, the guardrails, the escalation rules. And LoadBoardWise is where these mechanisms come alive. Every piece of judgment that is used to live in a planner's head is transformed into a rule inside a governed library, where a planner used to say carrier A usually accepts on this lane unless it's after 3. The rule library encodes that logic. Where someone used to whisper, don't use that haulier when the temperature drops, they never prep the traps. The rule library writes that into a constraint. It doesn't override human judgment. It institutionalizes it so that organizations don't lose its intelligence every time someone goes on holiday or burns out. LoadBoardWise, it doesn't guess, it evaluates. Now here's what actually happens. The planner triggers a match. Instead of manually checking 5 tabs, LoadBoardWise looks across all sources at once. Boards, brokers, contract lanes, private pools. It evaluates them under the rules you defined. It examines the constraints, it applies the sequence you designed, it identifies a primary offer, it waits. If the offer doesn't land, it automatically moves to the fallback carrier, not randomly, but according to the rules you set. Reliability first, cost second, or carbon weighted if that's your priority. This is not automation for the sake of automation. This is policy-based execution. One of the most radical things that LoadBoardWise does is remember why it made every decision, every allocation, every offer, every fallback, every escalation. It's all logged, not in a spreadsheet, in a decision trace that can be audited, explained, and improved. When someone asks, why did we choose carrier B over carrier A yesterday? LoadBoardWise doesn't say, because the planner thought it was best. It says because Guardrail 2.3 was activated, rule set delta weighted reliably above price due to weather conditions, and the fallback triggered because the first offer timed out. That's how grown-up logistics works, and it's how you stop performance reviews becoming open festivals. Finance doesn't trust promises, finance trusts numbers. So LoadBoardWise feeds the value ledger. How many pounds were saved in bidding? How many accessories were avoided? How many late buys were prevented? How many cancellations didn't happen because the rule engine chose the right haulier first? This is what convinced the construction customer's CFO to expand the rollout. They weren't buying software, they were buying proof. When LoadBoardWise runs the match, a Tuesday that used to feel like a battlefield becomes something calmer, more deliberate, more controlled. Planners aren't juggling chaos, they're editing rules, they're tuning the operating model, they're improving the next decision instead of rescuing the last one. And this is the real transformation. Planners stop being firefighters and start being system stewards. And because positioning matters, LoadBoardWise doesn't replace your TMS, it doesn't replace your planning tool. It sits exactly where the problem lives, in the middle, between planning and execution. The layer where the business logic of your network becomes action. Planning says what should happen, execution executes what did happen. LoadBoardWise is the part that decides how. We're not chasing hype, we're not promising autonomy at scale. We're building towards something much more grounded, a world where assisted decisions become semi-autonomous decisions, and semi-autonomous decisions become full autonomous under tight, controlled rules. A world where carbon considerations can be weighed inside a decision. A world where backhaul potential emerges because the rules engine can see what planners can't when they're juggling 4 open browsers. So that's LoadBoardWise, not a marketplace, not a control tower, not a magic platform, just one product solving one part of the problem with clarity, with governance, with proof, and with the rule engine your business needs to survive volatility instead of drowning in it. Fix the moment that sets everything else in motion.